Shilajit is a black and sticky resin that is found primarily in the rocks of several mountain ranges, including the Himalayas. Also called mineral pitch, Shilajit develops over centuries from the slow decomposition of plants and minerals. Shilajit is commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine and offers a positive effect on your overall health and well-being. In today's video, I'll share 8 incredible benefits of Shilajit, its side effects, contraindications, and how to use it to reap those benefits. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It increases testosterone. Low testosterone affects men primarily. Signs of low levels include fatigue, hair and muscle loss, increased body fat, and low sex drive. By the end of a 90-day study, men between the ages of 45 and 55 who took 250 milligrams of Shilajit twice daily had a significantly higher testosterone level compared to the placebo group. 2. It slows down aging. Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid, which acts as a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. This in turn protects against free radicals and cellular damage, the 2 key factors in aging. Therefore, daily supplementation of Shilajit can contribute to overall vitality, longevity, and a slower aging process. 3. It can prevent anemia. Iron deficiency anemia usually occurs due to a low iron diet, blood loss, or an inability to absorb iron. Symptoms include fatigue, weakness, cold hands and feet, headache, and irregular heartbeat. Shilajit is rich in iron and humic acid, which may help reverse iron deficiency. A 21-day study demonstrated that it can gradually increase iron levels in the blood. After 11 days, rats that received 500 milligrams of Shilajit had higher levels of hemoglobin compared to the placebo group. 4. It promotes fertility. Shilajit is not only being used for increasing testosterone levels in men, but regular supplementation can increase sperm count and mobility. Both these factors affect how well a sperm moves towards the egg, which determines chances of conception. This was evidenced in one study, where a group of 60 infertile men took Shilajit for 90 days after meals. The results revealed that more than 60% of the participants showed an increase in sperm count and more than 12% had an increase in sperm mobility. 5. Shilajit for chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome is a long-term condition that can make simple everyday activities prove challenging. It is associated with mitochondrial dysfunction. So naturally boosting your body's mitochondrial function with Shilajit can help improve energy levels. Researchers believe that it can reduce symptoms of chronic fatigue. They noted that Shilajit improves cell functions in the body, meaning it can reduce fatigue at the source of the problem and increase energy levels naturally. 6. It enhances brain function. The numerous compounds found in Shilajit may be helpful for brain function. They may even aid in the treatment and prevention of cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's. The primary component of Shilajit is fulvic acid. This powerful antioxidant promotes cognitive health by preventing the accumulation of tau protein and reducing inflammation. Tau proteins are an important part of your nervous system, but a build-up can trigger brain cell damage. However, more research and clinical trials are needed to confirm its efficacy. 7. High altitude sickness. Altitude sickness can be triggered by low atmospheric pressure, cold temperatures, or high wind velocity. The changes in pressure at high altitudes can greatly affect many of us, where some experience symptoms ranging from body pain and fatigue to lung congestion and low oxygen in the brain. One of the claims made by traditional practitioners and researchers is that it can help alleviate altitude sickness. The fulvic acid content and more than 84 minerals in Shilajit function as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, energy booster and diuretic to remove excess fluid from your body. Because of these benefits, Shilajit is known to lessen many symptoms of altitude sickness. 8. It improves heart health. Shilajit as a dietary supplement may also protect your heart. Researchers noted its protective effect on rats with induced heart injury. They found that rats that were treated prior to injury had fewer cardiac lesions than those who were not given Shilajit. It is important to note that Shilajit may reduce blood pressure in some cases, and consumption is not recommended by those who have an active heart condition. Side effects, contraindications, and how to use Shilajit. Although it is considered safe for long-term use as a dietary supplement, there are some potential side effects to be mindful of. As mentioned earlier, it may lower blood pressure, which can be dangerous for people who take high blood pressure medications. This includes people with an active heart disease or history of hypertension, and it should be avoided to prevent a drop in blood pressure. Don't take Shilajit if you have sickle cell anemia, hemochromatosis or thalassemia, as it may cause an allergic reaction. It is also important to note that Shilajit shouldn't be consumed raw or unprocessed, as it may contain heavy metal ions, free radicals, fungus, and other contaminations that can make you sick. So make sure your Shilajit is purified and ready for use. If you buy the supplement in liquid form, dissolve a pea-sized portion in liquid and drink it 1 to 3 times a day. You can also take Shilajit powder twice a day with milk or water. The daily recommended dose is 300 to 500 milligrams. Consult with a healthcare practitioner before taking a supplement if you need further assistance or monitoring. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.